Today in this module, we'll cover how you can reach out to the JumpCloud's product team to submit feedback or feature requests through the JumpCloud Admin Portal. In order to submit a feature request, log into your JumpCloud Admin Portal. There are two areas to submit your feedback. You can either use the drop-down menu by clicking your email address in the top right of the portal and selecting Submit an Idea. You can also navigate to the support menu in the bottom left-hand side of the admin portal. There will be a Submit an Idea button in the top right-hand side of the pane. This will open up the same submission form modal that you saw earlier via the drop-down menu method. You can fill out the top field with a description of your idea and how you would like to see it work within JumpCloud. The following text field can be used to explain either an operational, security, business, or other benefit for you and your business. Lastly, you can set importance by selecting one of the three options below in Submit. Once submitted, this goes to our product team's board and is prioritized based on the request. You can also reach out to your customer success manager for submitting feedback if it is of high importance or value. We appreciate all of your feedback on the product, and your voice allows us to grow and build a better product for you and all of JumpCloud. Thanks again for watching this tutorial module covering how to submit a feature request and feedback to JumpCloud through the JumpCloud Admin Portal.